Good morning, children. Children, today exercise 4.3 we will complete as we have done question 1, 2, 3 in our previous class. Today I will start with question number 4 and this is very important and easy question. Student, the question number 4 is subtract the sum of minus 2 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 9 from the sum of 8 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 18. In this question, students, this question we will complete in 3 steps. First of all, we will do the sum of this bracket minus 2 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 9. Then after, in our second step, we will do the sum of 8 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 18. Afterwards, both the sum we will subtract because they have said subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. Okay, so student, now our first step. Student, now sum of minus 2 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 9. Minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 9, then plus minus will be minus. Now LCM I have taken, that is 9. Now 9 divided by 3, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, minus 6. 9 divided by 9, that is 1. 7 multiplied by 1, it will be 7. Then minus 13 upon 9, that is your sum. Now second step. In step second, we will take sum of 8 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 18. Here student, again plus minus it will be minus. Now I will take LCM, that is 18. Now 18 divided by 3. 3 6 the 18. Then 6 multiplied by 8, that is 48. Then minus 18 divided by 18, that is 1. 1 multiplied by 5, it will be 5. And our answer will be 43 upon 18. Now in third step, student, we are to subtract minus 13 upon 9 from 43 upon 18. Students, now third step, subtract minus 13 upon 9 from 43 upon 18. Then 43 upon 18 minus 13 upon 9. Then minus will be plus. So 43 upon 18 plus 13 upon 9. And then your LCM will be here 18. Now 18 divided by 18, that is 1. So here 43 will come as it is. Now plus 9 divided by 18 divided by 9, that is 2. Because 9 2s are 18. Then 13 multiplied by 2, it will be 26. Students, now we will add 43 and 26. It will be 69 upon 18. This is your final answer. And 69 upon 18, both we can cut by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 23 upon 6 is your final answer. So student, in this question, 3 steps we have done. First we have added this one, then this, and afterwards we have subtracted. Now students, question number 5. Students, now next question, question number 5. What number should be added minus 2 upon 7 to get 9 upon 40? So students, here we are to add something in minus 2 upon 7. For what we are to add? To get 9 upon 40. So first of all, student, for this I will make an equation. Minus 2 upon 7, we don't know what we are to add. So here I am taking, suppose we are to add x here to get 9 upon 40. Now it will be very easy for you how to solve now. Again I am explaining. In minus 2 upon 7, what I am to add? So here I have taken x to get 9 upon 40. Now student, we are to find the value of x. So 9 upon 14 in right hand side will be as it is. Then this minus 2 upon 7 we will remove from the left hand side. It will go in the right hand side with a positive sign. Then 2 upon 7. Now the LCM will be, as you know, 14. Now 14 divided by 14, it will be 1. Then 9 will come as it is. Then plus 14 divided by 7. Then 2, and 2 multiply 2, it will be 4. And your answer will be, student, 13 upon 14. So students, what is the number? The number will be 13 upon 14. When you will add in minus 2 upon 7, you will get 9 upon 40. Students, now before taking question number 6, I am taking here question number 7. Afterwards, we will solve question number 6. Question number 7 is find a rational number which is minus 9 upon 11 less than minus 7 upon 33. So here also we will get a rational number. We will find which should be minus 9 upon 11 less than. Less than means students subtract. We will do subtract here. Less than minus 7 upon 33. So again I will make an equation that is minus 7 upon 33, and they have said less than, it means minus sign will come, and which one is less than? Minus 9 upon 11. So minus and minus students, minus 7 upon 33, it will be plus 9 upon 11. Again denominators are different. I will take LCM, that will be 33. Now 33 divide 33, it will be 1. 7 multiply 1, it will be 7 with minus sign, then positive sign. 33 divided by 11, then 3 times it will divide. Now 3 multiply by 9, it will be 27. Now again student, minus and plus, minus plus will be minus. 27 minus 7, it will be 20 upon 33, and sign of 20 will sign of greater number, that is 27. So students, here because what is given, we have to find a rational number which is minus 9 upon 11 less than. For this less than we have done here minus, and afterwards we have solved with the help of LCM. Students, now question number 8 is as it is of question number 7. So that I am not explaining here. Now question number 6. Question number 6, student, is similar with the question number 5. So here only clue I am giving you. Full I will not solve. Full you can do with yourself. The sum of two rational number is minus 15 upon 28. The sum of two rational number, that is minus 15 upon 28. If one of them is 6 upon 7, find other. Students, here sum is given. Suppose one rational number is here, then plus, and another rational number is here. The sum of two rational number is minus 15 upon 28. That is given in first line. The sum of two rational number is minus 15 upon 28. Now, if one of them is 6 upon 7, any one, you can write any one. Here also 6 upon 7 and here also 6 upon 7. One is 6 upon 7, find other. So here I can take, suppose other rational number is x. Now what you will do? Here x will be as it is, minus 15 upon 28. This 6 upon 7 is with positive sign. That side it will go with the negative sign. Now same process students you will do. Take LCM, operate with the minus sign and find your answer. Today students, we have done exercise 4.3. In our new class with new energy, we will start exercise 4.4. Thank you. Have a nice day all.